So hey guys, it's time to add the post. Let me just close all this that we have. To add the form that will create the post. So let me show you. I already created one because I recorded that and it started to rain like hell. So it sounded, it was so hard that it went through the mic. So yes, I will add it again. So we don't have right now the display of this button, so in this video I'm just going to focus on setting this, because if it starts to rain again I will have to record everything else. So let's just go to the app component.ts, and we already have something that is checking for this if this add item is set to true. Okay, that's why although we have this link, it's not displaying. So let me just open the development tools and console. So we need to do something here with this, that I'm going to add the router. I'm going to import the router here. We need to add inside this a constructor in order to use the router event. So we need to check if the URL contains certain value. Okay, so let me just delete what I copied there. So we have the private router of type router. Now I will add the add item property or a variable, and this one is the switch that is going to allow us to toggle the link. So we're going to say check URL. This is a function, and we're going to check if this that router that events that subscribe, we add a next there because we don't really mind about that. Or we could even well, if you want to grab the event, this is the event, but we're going to say if this that router that URL, we're going to use the router URL index of, if we have the add post there, then we're going to say this that add item equals to false, else this that add item equals to true. So as you can see, we have this, and if we click, there's a problem with that. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, add post, we can go to add post and we can go back. Okay, everything is working. I don't know why that error happens. I will need to check that, but this is the one I added. Okay, so you can see, since we don't have the add post here, it's going to display this. So we click add post, and well, that is odd because that shouldn't be happening. This dot router dot URL index of at post, this is false. Oh, because of course I'm so stupid. I'm not using the functionality, so we need to add ng on init. I was like, what the hell? Sorry, is that it started to rain and I had to check everything. So yeah, I'm recording this back again. So we need to implement here, sorry, implements on init. Sorry about that. I don't like to make those mistakes. ng on init. Okay, and we have this. So this that check URL, of course, is a function, and we need to use or call that function in order to work. So you can see now we have the add post and it's not showing there. So we go back and we can see it here. And if we click this, that is going to take us here. We can still see this. And of course, we can still see this. Okay. So let me just go and look for the style, which should be a last of type this one. So let me just copy this and sorry, this one style CSS, and let's go here, maybe last of type. Okay, you can see we have the style, so you can check this out, okay, and copy if you want. Of course, you will get access to the repo in case you want to copy all the CSS and all that from there. So don't worry too much about that. So it's working. Now we're going to add, since it's going to be quite a long video, the next one, well, maybe around 20 or 30 minutes. So I will, we will leave this one here and we will continue in the next one.